Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra battery is something we never seen before, but things are even better on the S23 Ultra, and you guys even second my opinion. After a couple of years, this has finally happened in the smartphone world. Before starting off, make sure to subscribe. Along with the battery, which we will talk later, Galaxy S23 Ultra performance is something we should take a notice, and I'm impressed how well it performs against the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The animations are great on S23 Ultra, and that could be one of the reasons that S23 Ultra wins against the iPhone 14 Pro Max, where Phone Buff YouTube channel shared the results, and it is amazing to see how well S23 Ultra performs in the first half, where after a couple of years, Samsung finally beat iPhone in the first round of Phone Buff, where S23 Ultra is 2 seconds faster than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is not a big difference, and second round is almost the same, just a bit difference where S23 Ultra need to swipe twice to minimize the game, whereas the iPhone 14 Pro Max only need one. So in that case, both phones landed on the same time. Now one big thing, Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with 12 GB of RAM, whereas iPhone 14 Pro Max comes with only 6 GB of RAM, so we can get more apps in the background on the S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comments, what was your experience with the S23 Ultra? It's not about the speed, but also the battery life, whereas S23 Ultra also clipping the numbers of iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yes, as per day-to-day user, you won't feel much difference, but if you go consistent for battery tests, S23 Ultra just falls short for a couple of minutes, meaning now you get a real reason of switching from iPhone 14 Pro Max to S23 Ultra. You will find same features and even the additional 200 megapixel camera and customization options for Android lovers. The main thing what Samsung improved a lot in the Galaxy S23 Ultra is its software, the One UI 5.1, and now Samsung even already gave a first security update on the S23 Ultra. Also, Samsung improved a lot in processor, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 2, which is overclocked at 3.36 GHz instead of 3.19 on the normal Snapdragon 2. According to some report, Samsung might use the same processor for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, as Qualcomm will launch the Snapdragon 3 somewhere around in October or early November, and Snapdragon 2 is powerful enough to go with the Z Fold 5. There are some issues going on with the S23 Ultra software, and you may see the display issue on the S23 Ultra. If you want to take a look at the issue, then make sure to watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.